I'm Tara Monster, and I like to make things. Today I'm going to show you how to cut the perfect V-neck out of one of your men's crew neck tops without making it too big and also making sure that it's perfectly even. But before we jump in, be sure to follow me on social media and then subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you can get notified whenever I make a new DIY video. I make one every week. Let's get crafting! For the V-neck, you want to measure how far down you want the V to go and then mark it with your chalk. Now we're ready to cut it. And now for the V-neck. You also want to make sure to mark the center by folding it in half. And now we're going to refer to the mark we made while trying the shirt on that lets us know how deep to make our V. Going to just draw a straight line down. And then another line going all the way from that mark up to the shoulder. Make it as close as you can to where the collar starts. And then make a matching line on the other side. Cut through the seam first on both sides, and then only cut your top layer down until you get to your V. And again, you can just flip this over and use it as a template, but I kind of like going off of the lines I did as well. Having two ways to make sure you have a straight cut is never a bad idea. Remember just to cut the top layer. And now we're just going to cut right along the curve of the back. And voila! Now you have a perfect V-neck. Don't forget to stretch it out so it rolls as well. Let's go try it on. And now we have the perfect V-neck. You would have never known this was a men's shirt before. Thanks for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed learning how to cut the perfect V-neck out of one of your men's shirts. Did you give it a try? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and then ring that bell so that you can get notified when I make my next DIY video. In fact, I will be cutting up this exact shirt and making it into a more creative style, so you don't want to miss out. Thanks again, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye! And now the perfect V-neck.